Bitcoin price prediction. Surge to $43,103. ETF talks fuel optimism. Disclosure. Crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async. Class equals align on size vol WP image 143,334 SRC equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,172,974,767,214 JPG all equals Bitcoin recap with equals 1280 height equals 608 SRC set equals https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,972,974,532,974,767,214 JPG 1280 https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,972,967,214-300x143 JPG 300 WA https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,974,767,214-1024x486 JPG 1024 https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,974,767,214-768x365 JPG 768 WA https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,974,767,214-130x63 JPG 130 https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,974,767,214-104x50 JPG 104 https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,974,767,214-83x40 JPG 83 https://cryptonews. com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,974,532,974,767,214-150x71 JPG 150 sizes equals max width 1208x 100 WA 1208x Bitcoin BTC witnessed a notable increase of over 5%, reaching $43,100 on Tuesday, amidst pivotal developments in the cryptocurrency landscape. The spotlight turned to the discussions of Spot Bitcoin ETFs at a meeting between the SEC and BlackRock, highlighting the growing interest in mainstream financial circles. Adding to the buzz, Bitwise launched a creative publicity campaign for crypto ETFs, featuring the most interesting man in the world. Moreover, the CEO of VanEck optimistically predicts the SEC's approval of multiple spot Bitcoin ETFs in a single day, signaling a potentially significant shift in the regulatory and investment framework for Bitcoin. SEC and BlackRock discuss spot Bitcoin ETFs. The discussion between BlackRock Inc. and the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) over a spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF has progressed, with BlackRock filing its third amendment to the proposed ETF. In addition, Grayscale Investments engaged in talks with the SEC's Trading and Markets Division regarding their own ETF application. The SEC released a memo detailing its staff's conversations with Nasdaq stock market and BlackRock representatives about the iShares Bitcoin Trust. BlackRock proposed two models for the ETF, considering both in-kind and in-cash redemptions. Just in, BlackRock filed its third amendment to its spot hash Bitcoin ETF. With the SEC pick Twitter, com/real by KMD20, Bitcoin Magazine at Bitcoin Magazine December 18, 2023. This development signals ongoing interest in spot Bitcoin ETFs, which would provide investors a direct and cost-effective way to invest in Bitcoin. While the SEC's decision remains pending, the anticipation of approvals for such ETFs is fostering optimistic sentiment and potential positive impacts on Bitcoin's price. Bitwise's Interesting Man campaign for crypto ETFs. Bitwise Asset Management has initiated a unique advertising campaign for its Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs, featuring Jonathan Goldsmith, popularly known as the most interesting man in the world from Dos Equis beer commercials. In this campaign, Goldsmith swaps his famous tagline for a new one focused on cryptocurrencies. You know what's interesting these days? Bitcoin. IMG. SRC equals HTTPS//I. com/Roman6/ID/HQ default. JPG alt equals with equals 480 height equals 360 iframe title equals compilation of the Dos Equis beer commercials the most interesting man in the world with equals 640 height equals 360 SRC equals https://www youtube.com/embed/xgtxgook feature equals own frame border equals 0 allow equals accelerometer autoplay clipboard write encrypted media gyroscope picture-in-picture web share allow full screen /iframe my betas go find Bitwise. This revival of Goldsmith's iconic character coincides with Bitwise's active application to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC for a Bitcoin ETF. Breaking: Bitwise launches #Bitcoin ETF marketing campaign with this commercial. There is going to be a huge Bitcoin marketing blitz. Pick Twitter com/KHXESDKKT Bitcoin Archive at BTC Archive December 18, 2023. To date, the SEC has not approved any spot BTC or ETH exchange-traded products. While such promotional efforts might not directly impact Bitcoin's price, they underscore the growing mainstream interest in cryptocurrencies, with regulatory decisions playing a more significant role in market dynamics. VanEck CEO anticipates SEC approval of multiple Bitcoin ETFs. Jan VanEck, CEO of VanEck, has a positive outlook on the potential simultaneous approval of multiple spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF applications by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). In a CNBC interview, VanEck highlighted the expanding user base of Bitcoin and projected its superior performance over gold. VanEck CEO expects the U.S. SEC will approve all spot BTC ETF applications at the same time. He also sees a new all-time high of $69,000 registered in late 2021 to occur within the next 12 months. Just last week, VanEck changed the ticker for its ETF proposal to HODL. WooBlockchain at WooBlockchain December 17, 2023. He anticipates the coordinated approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs by the SEC, akin to the Ethereum futures approval process, to maintain a level playing field among companies. This sentiment is echoed by experts at JP Morgan Chase and others. Such collective ETF approvals could positively impact BTC prices, signifying broader acceptance and facilitating investor access to Bitcoin. Bitcoin price prediction. On a 4-hour chart time frame of Bitcoin, several key price levels draw our attention. The pivot point stands at $42,830, serving as a crucial juncture for potential price movements. Immediate resistance is found at $43,807, followed by further resistance levels at $44,714 and $45,862. On the flip side, Bitcoin finds immediate support at $41,617, with subsequent support levels at $40,662 and $39,720. These figures delineate the battleground for bulls and bears in the market. Turning to technical indicators, the Relative Strength Index RSI is currently at 60. This value suggests a leaning towards bullish sentiment, as an RSI over 50 often indicates such a trend. However, it's worth noting that it has not crossed the overbought threshold, which would be signaled by an RSI above 70. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA stands at $42,170. This observation points towards a short-term bullish trend, as the current price is above the 50 EMA. This indicator often serves as a barometer for the asset's immediate trajectory. In chart pattern analysis, Bitcoin displays noteworthy patterns and candlestick formations. However, specific patterns and their implications are subject to interpretation and can vary based on the analyst's perspective. Conclusively, the overall trend for Bitcoin appears bullish above the pivot point of $42,830. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 cryptocurrencies disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter or a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMD equals https://simg. co/p/ml300 jpeg alt equals image class equals imgid equals newsletter pop-up img.